Hello guys, so I'm making this video to show you my my most recent bench setup that I just came up with 30 seconds ago. So I put some rubber plates, some 45s below the bench itself, as you can see. So what that makes is it makes me closer to the bar, and so I don't have to press the bar so much or so higher to get the bar off the rack. Not sure if I expressed myself correctly. And so the second change I made is, I don't know if you noticed, but the bench is in the opposite way. So this way should be actually your butt that should be there. So I switched it because this part is fucked up, as some of you know. See? And so my butt wouldn't be stable. So what I did was I changed it up, and so now my head stays there and my butt stays stable. And the main reason for that was that my head doesn't need to be as stable as my butt, but it's even greater than that because I don't even have problems at all with my head because it stays right here, which is relatively stable. The only problem is when I go here or here. So if I just stay here, it's actually pretty damn stable. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this recent change, and let's see how it goes. I don't know if it will work. I don't know if the bench will crash or some shit and I'll get injured. I don't know. Let's see.
Ah!